First, dogs are barking, ignore it. Focus on video, and that's my main aim. If you see, every day when I am going into the record my video, dogs already started barking. And these problems, that's why I'm not recording video. I'm not recorded video. The past times, you can know I haven't recorded any video because of in the night I have time, so I started recording, but the same problem came. So I'm thinking like, why not I record it without any thinking about the sound of dogs. If you see, like, if you record every day when I am going with the camera, dogs are barking. I don't know why. But today I'm going to record the full video with the sound of dogs. So let's start. And that's, I think, the topic today. If you see in their life, many problems and many issues comes. But how you can see it, that's mindset is matter. And that's I'm talking today in the video. So let's get started. So basically, my aim in the video is what I faced the problem that I want to discuss. Not I'm going to any other problems to discuss. So if you watched the past videos, that definitely related with the problems, means what I genuinely experienced or faced the problem, that's I discuss in the video or in their channel. So that's the same aim I'm going to forward, and that's the mentality issue. We created a goal, but we are not aligning with their goal. We are not focusing in their goal. That's have many issue, many problems came in their life, and that's why we quit, and where we all dreams and all goals destroyed. So that's I want to talk. So if you see in their life, you created a goal, or even you thinking about let's do it. One day goes very well, second day very well, third day very well. Then from another day you are becoming not regular, not very well way you maintain your strike, your consistency, and that's have a issue with everyone. No one can consistent, and that's why where we can lack, where we can destroy ourselves. So how to maintain, that's have a problem. And if I can give you one thing more in there, that is, with you not going anything well, means every day you work hard, and then you sit one day and think like, I done many things, but where is my result? Then you upset, and where you can going to quit. Same thing with me, that's I discussed today. When I am going to record, the dog started barking, but you can see right now I today force me to sound of dog to record the video, and that's my goal. But the goal is not complete because you can see dogs are not barking. So sometimes your mindset is very forward or very, sometimes your mindset will be clear. I need to do it means do it. Whether the result will be coming, whether the result will be not coming, that doesn't matter. Only important is focus on ourselves, working hard. But in there it is sound like a motivation, like when you start actually going into their work, then you analyze it's not going well. You can start, you can, if you can I think experience this thing, then lots of issues, lots of problems, and sometimes you not feel well to work hard, and then you thinking like okay, let it break. And when you break it, or when you stop your hustling, then the another period start, that is boredom. Means you have challenge, you take a challenge, you started your learning, you started your, you started improving day by day, but one day suddenly you stop, and after that whatever your challenge, whatever your improvement suddenly stops. Suddenly your mind destroy you. What is happening basically? Simple. If you don't, or if you not showing yourself in the life is, so your mental health will be very important. Because when you go into the negative direction, that's give you very broad view. And if you go deeper into that, that's impact your mental health, and that mental health ruin you and your goal. That's I'm talking to you. For example, you working very hard, sometime you will try, you had tried, but not any result. Also sometime you distracted, you hustle more, but you can't do it. Then you are thinking like this is not for me, because it's not going good. I tried, but what it is your mindset. When you think like this is not going good, how I can do it, that's the right question. But how can I do, that is the right question. But when you think like it's have a problem, I can't do it, I have a many types of problem coming, then where you can broke yourself. But if you can see, like each day, each second, each minute, each hour, many new problems coming, many new changes in your mind, and you're thinking like each day, each hour, you are tackling the problem, you can face the problem and you will solve the problem. That's mentality is another level, and that's the same mentality I am using. If I tell my story, have many issues, many faced problem, but my mentality say don't stop, don't quit, and don't pause, even pause, continue. Whether your day, one day you are not going well, someday your mind is not work well like other day. For example, you hustling each day hard and one day going not good, that may not mean you are not good or you are not well to do. Definitely you will do, you will perform best of yourself, but sometime is not going well, then don't stop, then don't create painful for mind. What you can do is very simple, that is each day work hard. If the time going not well, you feeling very low, your you feel like I'm not going to work, I'm not going to dedicated or focused way learn, means sometimes minds not give you the best way, then I am thinking like okay, that is good, so let it sleep. Yes, sleep, not to watch reels, not to watch any fun thing, because when you starting consuming fun things more and more, when you watching reels more and more, shorts more and more, then your mind say, when you are going into their study mode or working mode, those time you are hustling more, it is a very painful, it is a very bad situations, but you are not happy, you are not enjoy. Definitely one time when you're studying, when you're working, sometime you enjoy, but not in a regular seconds you enjoying. But when you go into shorts, reels, videos, web series, movies, or basically content, when you start content consuming, then your mindset says, your mind say it's very good thing you can enjoy, and that's why when you start consuming, the day go very long, like a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, like that. So these issues coming, and mind say okay, let it do it every day. If you know if you one day you use it, then the another day again your mind say let's do it again, and you start it again, then it comes into the addiction, and one day come, that is you quit your goal, you have no any aim, and whether you are enjoying reels, but back of the mind is coming, I'm wasting my time, I am my I have no goal, no aim. So in the back of mind you in the stress, but in real time in their reels you are watching because of addiction. So this type of conflict generally comes when you start thinking or consuming or using. But my solution is very simple, is when you start thinking like why this type of thing comes. For example, when you are going into their right now is trending in very reels. So when you going into the reel sections started again and again, when you study hard and you have really relax 1 second. For a 1 second you are thinking and you stop studying and started. When you know put when you start your phone, then go into or went into their reel section and start scrolling. So what is it? It's a create you are created a habit where you can watching every day with the habit, and that's why it comes. So when you think or when you can analyze, okay, my problem is addiction, my problem is habit I created. So so this is not for good, this is not good for my this is not good for myself or for my goal. So what to do? So where you can started uh, or created, okay, when I completed my work, then I am not going to touch my phone. I will relax, or I will sleep for few minutes or few hours, then again I start study. This type of you can create your habit. So that's how. But it's very, you can say, hard to you know implement in the life, because it's possible definitely, but it's not impossible, I'm saying. But it takes too many days, too many months to come through that, because you addicted basically. So when you you can, when you started break all the addiction, then mind always say what you are doing, because every day, every minutes dopamine hits. You are you are feeling very well, but suddenly when you stops, then it's a very bad thing you are doing. So you can slowly decrease, or slowly you can uh, bad habit you can break. But again the problem comes, that is related with the work or the goal, where you can each day trying and forcing you to put on there, but someday comes like you are not enjoying. And that's the main questions comes, because you choose goal because of you are enjoying. So that's where you started, and after some few days you you are not actually enjoying. So what basically the problem came, and you will think, you can thinking like what's going on. So the problem is not, it is a mind. You can think like we are human creature, like or human, like social animal. Yes, we are animal. So okay, let it not animal, let it social beings. So like a human being, so become a social beings. Okay, so we are only each day trying one thing, but basically your mind something wants another thing. you are not basically focus in one direction for a 1 year or 2 year or a 5 year. It's not possible. So but how can we do? Because when you will go into the direction of in your life, so how you can focus, how you can do it? It is basically not possible for to basically focus with one direction, one aim. Because also the problem comes with the content. Suddenly you started watching something different and you enjoying, then you're thinking like, okay, let it do it, this thing, this is also good thing for me. So always comes this type of problems. And related with the mindset, also related with the enjoyment, or also many types of thing come. Then your mindset say, your mind say no, no, not to do it, let it, remove it from your goal list. So what to do basically? You do another thing, another type of thing, because you give me bored with the 1 month, so I want new things. That type of you know comes. But basically when you shifting every times new goals, definitely you need to good need to can say learn new skills in your life. New goals or new learnings comes. But if it is not complete your one goal, you are not completed one goal, you are not achieved one goal, you are not succeed in one goal, uh, you are not in a top 10 or top 100. So basically what you can do, each time you dig a hole of 1 meter, that's definitely not give you the not give you water. So basically how we can focus in a one direction, basically not in a many or multiple goals to create. Because I created another video, past video, that is related with how you can with one goal. So basically we diverted every day. We are not actually human being centric or one goal we can target. That's I faced many times. I'm not well one goal oriented. So what I observe with me, or what I can solve is, you want to try, means you are trying to you are trying, or you are your mindset say, you say I need to focus, but your mind say no, not to do, because your mind say something else. So how you can align both and create one goal, or focus on one goal, concentrate basically. So the solution comes from you, basically. When the mind say, or when you are thinking like I'm not going good, I'm not well, I'm doing, I am frustrated, I am in the stress, so what to do? Then ignore it. Because your mind definitely on those time give you notification, and the notification comes immediately, and the notification is stop it and do it another thing, another goal, or another you can enjoy it. That's how the mind say, or mind create a notification. But when when you silent the notification, then definitely not you divert. So what to come is basically don't see your mind, or don't listen your mind. You only what to do is silently you see, I'm not very well for today, or for a few minutes, few hours to study, then leave it. or going into the another thing, you can do it for you can start creating, or you can start writing poetry. You can start, means whatever your another hobbies, another like dislike basically not dislike, but what you like, you can try it. Or you can also try it a new thing. When you saying like if I started new thing, then my mind say let it do it. No, that's have the main mindset you can achieve is, when you are feeling not well, then do it for a few minutes or few hours. Do it for another thing. And when you did it or do it, then after come into or jump into the study. So don't force you only for uh, you know uh, when you are going into the 1 hour, I do this thing, so let it doing only one thing, doing only this thing, and you ignore your main goal. So don't ignore it, your goal, main goal, every day. So that's the mentality, bro. Basically, you tried how I can say, like you know every time new situations create, and what or how you can tackle is your way, not my way. So that's why I'm not giving you the solutions, but I can give you the how you can solve the problem. Whatever you in your you can solve it. Okay, so that's I want to talk today. So basically, let it give you the way how can solve is. Basically, if you anytime you divert, stop, say with you, or think what's the problem come, you can solve. And definitely not every day the same type of day. Whether one day you are hustling too many hours, and you fully confidence, you feel very confidence, but one day come that you are not going very well, your day is not going very well, you are frustrated, you are in there you can say depressed on those days. So how to do? Basically, time bad time comes. So in a bad times, basically you ignore it. That's the view. Because when you start thinking why the bad times comes, why these types of day come, I am not very well, I'm not very strong, I'm not very good. That type of questions are nonsense. Because the bad time comes, so you can learn. That's it. Okay, not ignore it, but you can learn. Basically learn, and don't become every day is a bad day. That's have also another type of questions, another type of thing. So I give you the way, so you can solve, not I will solve. And I know in the video what I talk is not very sufficient way. I discuss not very well, giving you the solution or giving you the way you can solve. Because of you can say, after a few many after a very many few, oh my god, let it again say, many days. So sorry, I think many times I started to create video, but you know my mindset say, you are not going good, your communication is not very well. So how you can create the videos, how you can upload, many people will see it. I know, not saying many people, let it 1 or 2 views comes every day, not every day but in one video comes 1 or 2 views, so that is okay for me. I watch, that is good. So every day coming like a mind, say, when I started creating, then juggle with the words, juggle with the sounds, also sometime hesitate. That's a many issue come, and that's why I'm thinking what I say, and sometimes I uh, one sentence, one word saying again and again. That's how also frustrations comes. So also dogs started barking when I am going in the flow zone. Then the dogs started barking, so that's also disturbed me. So many types of issue comes, but the problem, how you can see it, or how you can use it, or how you can think it, and how you can feel it, that definitely, and that very important for you. So I'm talking about I started you can see like in the videos that the gap between the past video or this video is very long, and I know this is my mistake. I haven't recorded after a few after days, and that's I my mistake definitely, and I will definitely not come with again this type of mistakes, because I learned many things from these mistakes, and that's I discussed today. So how the video comes, definitely I'm in the 23 days communication challenge today. So that's not I'm not I have no time to record each day, but definitely I will try to record in a 7 day one video definitely come. That's my main aim. And if I give you my timetable, basically, I am a software engineer, basically. Not I'm software engineer, but I am a BCA student, Bachelor of Computer Application student. So definitely I'm not going college, but have many tasks, because I'm also learning skills, also participating in the hackathons, and also creating our product. Basically, if I tell about one product that is I'm creating is circle, so that definitely a good thing, whatever what is I creating, and it's a very good, you can say good aim I target for the student, because many problems comes for student, that's I am solving in these days. So basically I stop it for a few days because the hackathon comes. So after hackathons I started again to started building products, and use it. So this type of things coming in their days. Also going into the coachings for, in their last year, you submit the project, or you submit your certificate of where you can, which institutes you uh, you studied for projects, some kind of, this kind of set things happen in colleges. So that's why I went into there. That's how also time goes in there. So not even 1 second I make it, but definitely I will create this video, because it requirement for me, definitely for me first, then after you. So if you want this type of uh, content, then definitely uh, you know I know this type of, this is a you can say not very well or a structured way I talked, because it is not in a one topic I discuss. It's a full kind of many rotation, many direction I used with the points, or I used with the thoughts. So yeah, we are trying to do better way. Definitely one day we are going to be better. And I'm going to you say like you also try hard, try or push your limits. And basically YouTube I created because of I learned from there. Also you learn from with the channel. How basically what type of we are youth. Basically we are in the 21st generation. And in this era we know very well what type of distraction, what type of problems we are facing. So definitely the same thing or same generations we are. So that definitely helping to each other to communicate, to discuss the problem and solution, so we can achieve our goal. And that's the mainly my mainly my goal is to learn in the way, so we can uh, not to uh, not to waste our time. Basically we will be make or impact for the world. Yes, definitely what my vision is very big. uh, I will discuss in later videos, definitely. And so you also try vision broad, but start small. Don't think like Elon Musk or Mark Zuckerberg, but definitely start small with your mental state, your knowledge, your capability. What is your capability? You can start from zero, and each steps you put your one step, and that's how you can increase your level. That's how you can achieve your level. So that's my point. Not I'm thinking like I will become Elon Musk, and I don't want. Basically, I'm not thinking like that. Basically, my goal, my thinking is very different. Like I'm trying to solve a problem. Basically, that's my goal, and that's why in the YouTube also solving a problems, and also trying to discuss the problems, not the solutions. Trying to solve, trying to give you the way so you can solve the problem, not the solution. So that's my goal. And if you have any type of problem, then definitely share with me, so I can you know I can talk in their videos, or to uh, to build that the way, so we can solve, or uh, we can achieve our target. I think that is for today. Let it in the video. And I know the communication is not going very well, that in the past times that goes, because simple main reason is when you are not going every day with the consistency, so how you can improve. Basically the same reason with me. I'm in the starting time when I started a communication challenge. Those times I also started watching videos, many types of English videos that related with to improve my communication. And also I record myself every day, each day. And also what the thoughts comes I discuss in their English. So that definitely helped me on those days. But when I shifted with the time, then my I'm not consistent with that, and that's why the consistency breaks and hit the pause. And when they hit the pause, my improvement will stop, my improvement stops. And that's the problem comes. And that's why I am not recorded videos a long time. And if you see like in the videos, many types of mistakes grammatically. Yes, very types of grammatical mistakes I did. And definitely I problem with in the I think past type of sentences, or yeah, definitely past type of sentences. I do I do when I use it with that, then that's the problem came. And when and the another type of problem when I uh, use with the long sentences, and when I trying to go with the long term a long way uh, to uh, to to use with that word, then there also some type of problem came. So I know the problem where the come. So that's I'm saying, if you are going anywhere, then if you analyze yourself where the problem comes, then definitely you can solve. So if you want to how to solve, then watch or understand how I am solving the problem step by step. We can also solve, you can also solve. So next day I am trying, or I will improve more, so you can understand very well my words or my sentences. And definitely I will improve. In I think in the 30-day I will improve more, and I want to be consistent, and definitely will consistent, because I made mistakes many times, but I don't do again. So let it end there, and hustle on there, study more, work more, and achieve your target, achieve your goal. And don't stop, don't quit, always consistently work hard. That's the main goal of ours. So focus on yourself. I will talk to you later with the another topic, with the another problems. So let it end the video. Bye.